Series of high-level engagement in Paris, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Marseille along with French President Emmanuel Macron. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is making remarkable strides in AI, leveraging it for the public good. Modi urged the world to come and invest in India and bet on India's Yuva Shakti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has applauded Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra's effort to promote fitness. In a social media post, he emphasized the need to combat obesity and maintain a healthy lifestyle. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has said that LAM Research has announced major investment of over 10,000 crore rupees in India. In the Asia Mixed Team Badminton Championship 2025, India began their campaign with a commanding 5-0 win over Macau in Chengdu, China.